Being an artist, how are you connecting music with tourism?
I think music and tourism or travel have always been connected because now, firstly, I'll talk about how, as a musician, I travel. So, thanks to my musical career so far, I've gotten to travel to 5 out of 7 continents for musical performances. So, I think South America and Antarctica are the two places that I've not visited. So, every time, to be honest, I should say that I've not really traveled within India a lot, but a lot of my concerts happen abroad. So, when I travel abroad, mostly the trips are very short, probably 2 to 3 days trip where you reach the day before the event, have a rehearsal session, then on the day of the event, you are held up with a performance, and the next day you're mostly packed off back to India. But then if you're lucky, you get to spend another 1 or 2 days in the destination. That is when I like to explore everything about that place, whatever I can in a day. And that will mostly include the local cuisine, the local shopping, not malls and high-end brands, but then everything that you find locally, indigenous items and the local transportation. I always like to experience what it is, what it feels like to take the local transportation in a particular place, in a country or wherever. So that's how. So when I travel for work, and especially when I get to explore the place, I don't just, it's not just work for me, but then I get to experience the essence of that place. The entire cultural experience is what I get when I travel for my concerts. And as a music lover, when I travel to attend others' concerts, other artists' concerts, that's a whole different story altogether. You don't perform, but then you are now, especially the last 1 year or even the current year, we're seeing steady rise in the number of live music concerts happening, and people are craving to travel to attend these live music concerts because they want to experience music and not just listen to it. They want to, breathe the same air as that of their favorite artist, and they want to, they're sharing the same physical space as their fellow music lovers, all sharing the similar taste and vibe and energy and singing their favorite songs along with their favorite artists. I think that is one of the most wholesome experiences you can have as a music lover. And I think lately there are a lot of international bands also that are coming and performing in India, and there is a steady rise in the number of, tourism that is connected with live music concerts. And the surprising thing here is that the attending the concert is not just one of the things that they want to do, but then the concert is the destination. They're traveling specifically for the concert where, like I said, where they experience the local travel, meet the local people, have the local food, do a little bit of shopping. So I think music and tourism have always been connected, and there is so much untapped potential if, if both of these industries join hands. And I think we're just getting started at this point. There is so much more that we can achieve, in terms of music and tourism.
I just want to add on one more question. So, as a youngster who have traveled a lot of places, what do you want to tell about the students and the youngsters about travel?
I think travel, in the simplest terms, what I can say is travel opens you up. The more exposure you get, the more you grow, the more you evolve as a human being, and everything starting from, the ticket booking to arriving at a place to interacting with the local people, you are exponentially, there is only so much that textbooks and classrooms and teachers can teach you. Travel and real life experiences are the real teachers. So I think the more you travel, the more you grow, the better you become as a person.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.